You know, when you do something that you're used to doing quite often, be it DIY, craft, building, making, science, maths, whatever, when you've been doing it for a while, I think you can sometimes forget that it's not common knowledge for a lot of other people. That was made a bit apparent to me yesterday when I was shopping for new wiper blades for the car. I'm standing in there selecting out my ones to do it, and this guy sort of comes in and he's sort of sitting there looking for a while, and he turns to me and he goes, "Could you give me a hand with picking the right ones of these for my car?" I don't know whether he was going to try and put them in himself or anything like that, but it wasn't something that was so used to it. He wasn't used to. Now, the Suzuki's ones obviously need replacing. Last time I replaced them, I was able to replace the whole front blade system. The whole thing comes off. This time I've just gone for a pack of refills, and thankfully the Suzuki and Max both take the same size blades. So you basically, because this one came as a full unit, this part doesn't quite click out as easy, but you can get it out. So I'm just left with that part there. Chuck that rubbish away. With the new ones, they've got this tiny little clip at the back, which ends up holding it in here. So you basically just take your blade, make sure I got it around the right way still, thread it through, and you don't necessarily have to take this bit out of the arm. It's just that because I can with the Suzuki, it makes life a bit easier. Just get it all fed through, slide it up, and then just squeeze this bit, and that's then locked in. Now it's obviously a lot longer than you need. They're sold based on the width of this back section, and then they just made longer. So I just snip that off. And then I can just get that back in. That's done. Do the other one. Back one takes the same blades as well. Like I said, Max takes the same ones. So I only needed to buy 3 packs of refills because there's 2 in a pack. And I'll be set. So these, they've got a little bit of a channel. You just basically feed it through. Not rocket science. And the clip